Unboxing the Greenworks 40V Cordless Chainsaw. Let's dive in. First impression. Sleek, sturdy, and surprisingly lightweight. Included chainsaw, scabbard, 4.0A battery, charger, manual. Look at this brushless motor, built for power and durability. 16-inch bar feels perfect for home and yard projects. Battery slides in easily, no complicated setup required. Push-button start. No gas, no fumes, no hassle. Let's test the chain brake for safety, responsive and solid. Automatic oiler keeps the chain running smooth, less maintenance. Pro-style tensioning makes adjusting the chain super simple. Ready for action. Let's try some tree felling. Cuts through 4x4 lumber effortlessly. Serious power here. Up to 100 cuts per charge. Impressive battery life. No carburetor, spark plug, or starter rope. Just easy operation. Quiet performance. No roaring engine, just smooth cutting. Great for limbing, pruning, and prepping firewood. USB battery doubles as a hub. Charge your devices outdoors. Compatible with 75+ Greenworks tools. Expand your toolkit. Chain brake adds peace of mind. Safety first. Brushless motor delivers 2x more torque. Noticeably efficient. Let's check chain tension. Tool-free adjustment is a breeze. Automatic oiler means less downtime, more productivity. No gas smell or messy oil leaks, clean and convenient. Perfect for homeowners, landscapers, and DIY enthusiasts. Ideal for quick yard cleanups or bigger tree jobs. Battery charges fast, ready for the next project. If you want reliable cordless power, this is it. Highly recommend for anyone who values safety and efficiency. Ready to upgrade your yard tools? Check out Greenworks. Don't forget, battery and charger are included. Experience hassle-free chainsawing. Go cordless, go Greenworks. Thanks for watching. See you in the next review.